Relax, listen, and speak naturally. Welcome to English IRL.
Tonight, let's relax and practice English together with a calm cafe conversation. Take a deep breath, listen carefully, and enjoy the story. Is this seat taken?
Oh, no, go ahead.
Thanks.
Long day.
Very long day.
Yeah, you look tired.
I just finished work.
What do you do?
I work at a bookstore nearby.
A bookstore? That actually sounds peaceful.
Sometimes it is. Sometimes people come in 5 minutes before closing.
That sounds stressful.
It is.
I'm Daniel, by the way.
Emma.
Nice to meet you, Emma.
Nice to meet you, too.
Do you come here often?
Honestly, almost every night.
Really?
Yeah, this cafe feels comforting.
I understand that.
What about you?
I moved here 3 months ago. I still don't know many places.
Where are you from?
Chicago.
Big change.
Definitely.
Why did you move?
I wanted a different life.
That sounds mysterious.
Maybe a little.
So, what do you do?
I'm a graphic designer.
That sounds cool.
It sounds cooler than it actually is.
What kind of things do you design?
Mostly ads and social media stuff.
Do you like it?
Sometimes, but honestly, I always wanted to travel instead.
Travel where?
Everywhere.
That's not a real answer.
Okay. Tokyo, Paris, Seoul, maybe Italy someday.
Italy sounds nice.
What about you?
I've never left this city.
Really?
Yeah.
Not even for vacation?
No, I always wanted to travel, but life gets expensive.
That's true.
Sometimes I feel like everyone else is moving forward except me.
I think a lot of people feel that way.
Maybe.
Like living here?
Some days yes, some days no.
That's honest.
This city feels lonely sometimes.
I know exactly what you mean.
Really?
When I first moved here, I ate dinner alone every night.
That sounds sad.
It was.
How did you deal with it?
I walked around the city a lot.
At night?
Mostly.
Why?
Because cities feel different at night.
Different how?
Quieter. More honest somehow.
That's actually beautiful.
You think so?
Yeah?
1 cappuccino and 1 latte.
Thanks.
Thank you.
What's your dream?
That's a big question.
I know.
Honestly, I just want a peaceful life.
That's all?
A small apartment. Good coffee. People I care about.
That sounds nice, actually.
What about you?
I want confidence.
Confidence.
Yeah, I overthink everything.
You don't seem nervous.
That's because I hide it well.
I think everyone hides something.
Probably.
What would you do if you weren't afraid?
Travel.
Anywhere specific?
New York, London, maybe somewhere near the ocean.
Why the ocean?
It feels peaceful.
Yeah, I get that.
Can I ask you something?
Sure.
Do you ever feel like you're behind in life?
All the time.
Really?
Yeah. Social media makes it worse.
Exactly.
Everyone online looks successful.
And happy.
But real life is usually quieter than that.
That's true.
Most people are just trying their best.
I needed to hear that tonight.
Me too, honestly.
You know what's strange?
What?
We just met. But this conversation feels easy.
Some people feel familiar quickly.
That's rare.
Very rare.
I'm glad I sat here tonight.
Me too.
Do you think life changes suddenly or slowly?
Slowly. But one day you wake up and realize everything is different.
That sounds like something from a movie.
Maybe I watched too many movies.
What's your favorite?
Probably old romantic films.
Really? I didn't expect that answer.
Why not?
You seem serious.
Serious people can like romance too.
Fair point.
What about you?
I like quiet movies, the kind where nothing huge happens. But you still feel emotional after.
Those are the best kind.
Yeah?
It's getting late.
Yeah?
I should probably go soon.
Same.
I'm glad we talked.
Me too.
Maybe I'll see you here again.
Probably. I'm here almost every night, remember?
Right.
Good night, Daniel.
Good night, Emma.
Thanks for spending time with English IRL tonight. See you in the next conversation.